What's going, guys? How's it going? Practically, man, I have been banned for um, publishing different content here because I actually said something I shouldn't have said, so I'm gonna leave that alone. But I want to continue. I want to pick back up on Amazon. I did good on Amazon, and then I lost on Amazon because I didn't take profit. Then again, too, guys, just I'm paper trading. I'm learning how to trade, and I'm just using paper trading as if it's real money. I blow in a couple accounts myself, and I'm just very skeptical on, just jumping in without, having an understanding of what you're doing, the strategy, and things of that nature. So I want to get into Amazon. Before getting into Amazon, I think since I have these here online, I can go ahead and take a look at these. Currently right now, I think you guys know we're at all-time highs right now. As you can see, the VIX, for those who don't know, VIX measures the fear that's within the marketplace. Let's go to like an hour, so what happened. And the VIX practically seems to be down. And we actually take a look at it. VIX has kind of actually calmed down, as you can see here. This is a daily time frame too for the VIX. SPY itself, this is what SPY looking like. SPY is at let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to a 4 hour. SPY is at all-time highs, like all-time highs. So today, pretty much, it won't be a good day to actually trade, believe it or not. The reason why is because things just seem to be too high right now. I most definitely think there will be a correction within the marketplace, but I cannot really tell you when that will actually happen. As you can see, SPY actually kind of gapped up too overnight. So here, let's change that to like a 2. Let's clone this. And as you can see here, we kind of ranged a little bit in this area. And then we're going to clone because I see another one here in this area here. All right, so as you can see, we're on caught resistance, fell back down. Came here, finally had a breakout. Then we had a retest on this red candle. And for that point, we just went up, created a new high, which is around 674. And then we actually kind of had a huge rejection, boom, to the downside. Then, as you see, we revisited that same area, which was on Friday, I think. We finally caught a breakout candle. That's my son in the back, y'all. Y'all forgive me. Caught a breakout candle, which was here. This was that breakout candle right here. And it's currently has actually got though. So, as you can see, SPY's at all-time highs. And if I actually add on VWAP, I don't even have it on here. Well, we don't even actually have to have VWAP. You see the ripster right here. All right, so cool. So primarily, man, I talked about Amazon. Amazon, I feel as it may do something a little different today. If you look at technicals, it may actually do something a little different. As you can see right here, we'll go to a 4 hour. We'll go 2 hour. As you can see, we had high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This right here was the level I wanted to break the other day. As you can see, I had notes and everything. This 211.50 level, and I'm actually rounding it, this blue area. 211.50 has been a form of support where we have now started to create higher highs. So we have a low here, higher high, lower low, but then we have a higher low. Lower high, and now we have created a lower low. Now here we have start to create a higher high. All right, which is going to be in cahoots with this high here and this high right here. Okay, so we're now covering this area here, creating a higher high coming off the previous higher low, as we can see it. So practically, man, there has been a trend change. We feel as if the trend is starting to change now. These white lines is going to represent that actual channel that is actually traded in now. Okay, so that's primarily what I'm looking at now. So with this being said, we're going to have a correction here. I feel as if we will go into correction of creating a higher low and then proceed to the upside, creating a higher high, which in this area, which would be being dominant over this particular high here, and that level is going to be 228.20, or we could say 228 flat. All right, so that's primarily it, man. If I would draw a path out to identify what I think will pretty much probably what happened will be this here. We'll come back down, revisit it, have a touch, and we'll proceed to the upside. I feel as if that's potentially what can happen. Now, another thing too, because it's coming out of this pattern. It's coming out of this pattern here. It's coming out of this channel. It's actually coming out of this channel here, and it has started to create, a form of change of interest to the upside. Now, if we break out of this 239, that most definitely will be a nice one. So that's it, man. And then to account for as well, like I say, SPY is at an all-time high, and the VIX is actually low, meaning that there's no fear in the marketplace. So potentially, man, that do seem as if things will be on the bullish side. All right, so that's it, man. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm also going to kind of keep track of this particular. I'm going to take a paper trade on this too as well, but I'm going to keep track on this particular trade and continues to upload it to my specific areas and whatnot. So with that being said, man, y'all be blessed, man. If y'all see anything different within the marketplace, anything I missed, anything I most definitely should add into my analysis, what is technicals, fundamentals, and news reports, catalysts, y'all most definitely let me know. Let me know if I missed anything. Take care. See you guys on the next one.